Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another Jurassic World Captivz egg video. Now, today we'll be taking a look at what is inside 3 of them. As you can see, I've got the vast majority of these figures. I think I'm missing 5 right now, which is the Triceratops, Baryonyx, and 2 of the shiny figures, and something else. But yeah, so hopefully some of those figures are inside these eggs. Right now, if you guys are new to my egg videos, again, I'm trying to get them all, but they're quite pricey. These guys are about $9 Canadian, but well worth it. They're very detailed little figures, and these guys come with goo, so we'll... It's kind of windy outside. I decided to change up my my format because it's quite dark in my house. So now that we've got some sunny days upon us, we shall do it outside. I'm just gonna open them all up first, get that out of the way. I also brought my little bowl because these guys have orange goo inside of them, and that can get quite messy, so... And I've got some paper towel as well, because, you know, just gotta get the plastic off. It's crazy, these, once you start buying a lot of them, the eggs start, I don't know, they add up. They take up a lot of space. It's quite impressive, just the eggs alone. So I'm just gonna take this out of there, put it in my pocket. Okay, let's aim for the gold raptor and the silver rex, or at least a triceratops or baryonyx. We'll crack the first one. Actually, we can crack them all in here. Let's try something new. Let's do them all at once. Kind of like, I don't know, cooking. There you go. So we got all of them in one basket. You can see it just kind of pulls off. We got 1. We got 2. We got 3. There's the orangey slime. Okay, there we go. Now again, these, the packages were, you know, in the slime, so they're a little bit slippery, so I'm just going to cut them with scissors. And if you guys are doing this at home, make sure you don't cut, there's a little card in there, and there's also a little token, I think. It's kind of made out of paper too, so be careful with that. So our first one is Stegosaurus. So I've already got this guy. But we can put her together and take a look. So it says rival is the Baryonyx. Interesting. And this is a good figure because it's got a larger head, so you can use it as a juvenile or baby Stegosaurus compared to your Kenner dinosaurs. There we go. Super cute. Okay, what's next? Snip, snip. Come on Baryonyx. Oh, and it's a Sinoceratops. This one's also an amazing figure. They did really well on the herbivorous dinosaurs for this lineup. They're super detailed, and the Sinoceratops is quite bulky. It's a heckin' chonker. There we go. So you can see it's a quite large figure, very massive compared to the rest. I think it's the biggest in terms of how much plastic or how much resin or whatever this is made out of is used. It's the heaviest too. Okay, oh no. I think this one might be a Pteranodon. I've already got like multiple of that. Also, here's the Sinoceratops. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's a Pteranodon. Here we go, and yep. And what's interesting about this one is it comes in 2 pieces. So there's its little token. And there's on the back. But yeah, no, it has a head and the body. Oh, this is new. Is this a misprint? Or has it always been like this? Wait, the writing's printed on the back. No, it's printed on the back of all of them. Okay. Oh, it's supposed to go this way. I've been putting them on wrong this whole time. The wings are flapping upwards. Because look, these are the bottoms of the feet, right? Which go like that. They kind of stand. And because of that, this is the back. Oh, that's so cool. So it's got some sort of like, it's a more dynamic pose with the wings pointed upwards. And I guess you can have it sit like that. That's super cute. So the inside of the mouth is painted, the eyes are painted. It's even got this like orangey color or yellowy color around the wings and pink as well. The veins kind of pop out more with this paint job too. It's got the little Jurassic World symbol, which all the figures have. Okay, so we got some doubles, all 3 doubles, and this is expected because we're down to the last 4 or 5 dinosaurs. Yeah, down to the last 5. So I do not have the Indominus Rex, the Gold Raptor, Gold Blue, Silver Rex, and I don't have the Triceratops or Baryonyx. These 2. So next time I'll have to get a bigger lot of eggs. Okie dokie, more to trade then. Hope you guys enjoyed this egg unboxing video. It was definitely very fun. I always love the surprise of what is coming out in them. And I heard that there's a Camp Cretaceous lineup coming out soon, so I'm excited to collect those as well. Again, hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.